Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. Here we have a problem, so cancel this 3 by 3. Okay, now 40 divide 4. 40 divide 4 is equal to 10. Okay, but this answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this question correctly by using PEMDAS rule. So according to PEMDAS rule, division and multiplication both have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Therefore, first we have to solve this part. Then we have to solve this multiplication. Okay. Therefore, 40. Now we have to use the KCF rule. K means keep the first fraction same as it is. C means change the sign. F means flip the second fraction. Okay. Therefore, 40. Change the sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this second fraction. 4 upon 3 is equal to 3 by 4. Multiply 3. Okay. Now 40 divide 4 is equal to 10. Now 10 multiply 3 is equal to 30. Then 30 multiply 3 is equal to 90. Therefore, the correct answer is 90. Okay. Thanks for watching the video.